Starting around 27 September 2023, torrential slide generally is exchanging at $9.05 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.82% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely huge. Avax in every practical sense has a truly complete market cap of $3,206,424,455 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $84,034,898 in an unobtrusive manner. This fundamentally makes torrential slide, Avax, truly positioning at 22 in the digital money market, which essentially is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the torrential slide cost forecast finish of 2023, what will torrential slide fundamentally be essentially worth in 2023 in a fundamentally huge manner? Is torrential slide a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical? Will Avax cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking? These generally are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which especially is very critical. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023, as per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $14.49, the normal by and large least value worth of torrential slide, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to especially be $13.85. Showing how might Avax cost essentially outperform its unequaled high, which really is very critical. Besides, Avax can sort of arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $16.26, exhibiting that will Avax cost really outperform its unsurpassed essentially high in an unpretentious manner. Avax value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide sort of is determined to truly be at around a sort of least worth of $12.11, which in every practical sense shows that this truly makes torrential slide, Avax, exceptionally positioning at 22 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. The torrential slide value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of $13.77, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, which sort of is very huge. Torrential slide, Avax, value figure September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may for the most part arrive at a very least worth of $13.14. While the kind of greatest estimated cost generally is around $14.30, exhibiting how torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023, as per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost explicitly is supposed to truly cross in every practical sense normal value level of $14.49, the normal fundamentally least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $13.85, showing how might Avax cost especially outperform its untouched sort of high in a huge manner. The in every way that really matters, normal cost for Avax especially is basically anticipated to in every way that really matters reach $13.65 in September 2023. Further appearance how in a real sense is torrential slide a kind of wise venture or all things considered worth purchasing in 2023, or so they certainly thought. Torrential slide value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide in a real sense is supposed to sort of be at around an especially least of $13.29, kind of additional appearance how additionally Avax can sort of arrive at a very most extreme value level of $16.26, exhibiting that will Avax cost all things considered outperform its record-breaking high. Or so they especially thought. Torrential slide cost can fundamentally arrive at a very limit of $14.85 with the in every way that really matters normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, or so they basically thought. Torrential slide value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for torrential slide could by and large stretch around $15.55. Which truly shows that starting around 27 September 2023 torrential slide especially is exchanging at $9.05 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.82% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 explicitly is $13.57 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $14.20, so truly is torrential slide a fundamentally wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost certainly is supposed to generally reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of Avax for the December explicitly remains around $14.49 torrential slide, especially past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been for the most part diminished by 0.42% in its ongoing worth in a genuinely significant manner. On the off chance that we basically look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, so torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost in a real sense is supposed to truly reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the especially normal cost of Avax for the December truly remains around $14.49 torrential slide sort of past value examination. In the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been truly diminished by 0.42% in its all things considered current worth in a truly significant way. From especially most recent 7 days the Avax sort of was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 0%, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide essentially has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be by and large great chance to dive right in and certainly put resources into a huge way generally. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax essentially diminished by 57.372%. Wiping out an astounding exceptionally normal amount of $12.19 from its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a kind of great all things considered purchase an open door for extremely fast venture, or so they really thought. The 90 days cost change truly is near 49.11%. And the cost generally coursed from a very least truly normal cost of $16.54 to kind of greatest certainly normal cost of $18.27 in the in every practical sense recent days. Kind of additional appearance how the torrential slide value worth can basically arrive at an exceptionally limit of $13.77 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, which for the most part is very critical. Torrential slide by and large is somewhere near 25.05% with the genuinely greatest especially normal cost of the coin was around $11.78 and the base sort of typical cost of sort of was around $11.56 in especially beyond 4 months. Further appearance how assuming we certainly look at the truly current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap especially is likewise down, so to